Hello and welcome to another video tutorial brought to you by ACS All CCTV Supply. If you deal with IP cameras or networking solutions, then chances are you've had to use some form of Cat5 Ethernet cable. In this video, I'm going to show and explain how to attach the RJ45 ends to the Cat5 to complete your basic straight-through end-to-end Ethernet cable. Everything we need is right in front of us. We have a small section of Cat5, a crimping tool, the RJ45 end piece, and a pair of scissors. You will begin by using the crimping tool to strip about 2 inches of jacket. No need for precision here, it's all about preference. The Honeywell wire that we are using has a string inside that makes it easy to pull the jacket down if you so need it, but we do not today, so we're going to cut it out of the way. The revealed wires will all be twisted into pairs, so we are going to untwist them and spread them out to make things easier. For this part, it is a good idea to begin getting each wire into the correct color-coded order. For straight-through Cat5, it should always be the same order from left to right. Orange-white, orange, green-white, blue, blue-white, green, brown-white, brown. Once untangled and in the correct order, we will go ahead and cut the excess that we have here, down to about 1.5 inches. The goal when crimping the end on is to catch the end of the jacket and not the bare wires. Once again, the colors from left to right should be orange-white, orange, green-white, blue, blue-white, green, brown-white, brown. We will now slide the RJ45 in down on our Cat5 until the fit is good and snug, while also making sure that each line is in its own correct slot. Once it is seated firmly, we will insert the end into our crimping tool's 8-pin slot and squeeze down tightly. Now we have successfully attached the RJ45 to our Cat5 and created an Ethernet cable. I always recommend using a tester prior to finishing popping the cap on there. That way, you'll know for sure before the installation is complete if you've done it correctly or not. I always recommend connecting both ends to a cable tester just to make sure you made no mistakes before finishing your installation. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any recommendations for security or CCTV tutorials that we can cover here at ACS All CCTV Supply, leave us a comment in the section below.